Good morning. Let's go through these properties of logs. Some stuff you're going to need for your worksheets. First off, exponents. Remember when we were dealing with exponents, we had a base, we had the superscript or the exponent up here at the top, and that was going to be equal to an argument, or the answer. All right, from there, we're going to look at the inverse now, which is logarithmic. So we're going to have log. This base number will now be down here. Your argument will be here, and that's going to be equal to your exponent. Remember that a log is an exponent. All right, so let's look at the identity properties for logarithmic. All right, so first thing, log base b 1. So any log to the 1 is going to be equal to 0. And if you remember, base to the 0 power is equal to 1. So you can see how those things match up. And then for the other one, log base, any base to b is going to be equal to 1. So again, you can see it's b to the first is going to be equal to 1. And those are going to be your two identity properties. Let's get into the product property. Remember when we were doing exponents, we multiplied two values together. What we did was we actually added the exponents together. So that's still going to be, same kind of thing. So log to any base, m times n, is going to be equal to log base b m plus log base b n. So you can see we're adding and we're multiplying. And these things will work in either direction. Quotient property will be next. So for the quotient property, remember when we divide, we subtract with exponents. Same thing for logs. So we have log base b m minus log base b n. Quotient property. Next one, power property. Power to a power, remember with exponents we multiplied. Same thing is going to be true here. We have a superscript up here, p. So in power to a power, we're going to have p times log base b m. And again, those will also work in either direction. Remember to think of logarithms and exponents as the same thing. That a logarithm is an exponent. So the properties are just going to be in reverse. So the worksheet that I put out there yesterday, the overview will be there today, so you can go through and look at those things, look at your answers, get ready for the quiz on Friday. I'll post another worksheet this afternoon. It's also going to be about properties. Good luck.